Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the GNSS antenna is mounted and secure on the cab roof. This keeps accuracy consistent. Turn the Dozer master power on, then the GPS controller, and wait for the full boot sequence so satellites load. Once done, make sure battery voltage reads nominal and antenna cable connections are tight because loose cables cause dropouts. You'll also visually confirm clear sky view. That simple check reduces multipath errors before you move on to configuration. Next, you configure guidance. Select the correct project file, datum, and machine type, then enter the blade offset so the system knows where the cutting edge sits. Choose your correction source, RTK for highest precision, GLONASS or SBAS for broader availability, and enter base station details if using local RTK. Once configured, perform a quick baseline or an auto-calibration run while slowly moving. This aligns sensor data to the chassis. After calibration, verify positional accuracy with a known control point. Finish by running a final stakeout pass at normal operating speed and record the as-built surface. This confirms your settings under real load. While working, monitor signal quality and the system fault log, and keep an eye on battery and antenna integrity, because those are common failure points. If you see persistent position jumps or loss of corrections, reboot the GPS controller and repeat the auto-calibration. If that fails, swap antenna or check the correction link to isolate the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.